Good afternoon and welcome to Real Talk with Tamara. As you guys come into the room, please do hit the like button. Also, if you have not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. I hope that you guys are doing okay on this afternoon. I know that I am. I always express the importance of hitting the like button because the like button helps to keep the video on the algorithm. Okay, so like, share, subscribe, comment. All of those great things. Okay, I want you guys to know how much I appreciate you so much. If you would like to support the channel, you can hit up the Cash App or the Super Thanks. Okay. I wanted to talk about rapper Meek Mills is mourning the loss of a Philly rapper. Okay, who was taken out on camera in front of his very own home. Okay, the rapper's name is Phat Geez. Of course, as I said, he was killed outside of his home. He was only 28 years old. There's video of it on his Ring camera. Okay. And it says aspiring rapper Phat Geez was gunned down outside his home in North Philly late Sunday night. He was only 28. Ring doorbell video shows the popping on the 1200 block of North Tanny Street shortly after or before 10 p.m. The rapper, whose real name is Derek Gant, is seen arguing with an individual in a silver two-door coupe. Gant was annoyed that the driver was double parked outside his home and refused to move. The first video begins with Gant on his cell phone saying, "I'm about to bang on shoot his car. I don't know who it is. I'm about to flame his car." Okay. It goes on to talk about other things, but Meek Mills went to his Twitter and said, "Rest in peace, Phat Geez. Philly is a terrible place for Black people to live." Okay. Now you have some people that is saying that this rapper, unfortunately, they feel like that he may have been a part of his own demise. Like he made some mistakes, right? And I think that he made some mistakes too, although no one has the right to take out anybody else. It says Gant went back inside his home, but he stopped outside again to ask the person to move. During the ensuing argument, Gant told the driver someone shot at his house a week earlier, so it actually had him paranoid and he just wanted them to move. "Is you listening to what I'm saying?" says Gant. "Someone hit my crib, bro." Gant said. The driver told Gant that he listened to his music. Gant's fans believe the driver's statement caused Gant to let his guards down. The passenger in the vehicle popped up Gant multiple times as the rapper attempted to pop back. Police who responded to the location found Gant lying on the street. Medics rushed him to Penn Presbyterian Medical Center, where he was pronounced unalived around 10 p.m. The motive for the shooting is unknown, but police believe that Gant was targeted. Okay. Y'all, I'm sorry about that. I got so tired tongue, I had to take a breath because sometimes I could read so fast. You know how you get tired tongue? Okay. And the word wasn't going to come out right. So I had to regroup myself. Okay. It says well-known Philly rap. Okay, I talked about him, but I want to show the video. Okay, I want to show the video. This is part one of the video.
Yeah, I'm about to bang on this nigga. Yo, I'm about to bang on his car in front of the door, bro. I don't know who it is. He not rolling.
Okay, so this is him saying he's about to. This is on his Ring cam. He's talking about there's an unknown car where a guy was just sitting in front of his house. Now, why he was out there on the phone talking to someone, and instead of being in his house, calling the police. And I know they don't like to call the police, but it's stupid not to, right? He knew that something was wrong. It had him nervous. Okay, so he called someone else on the phone. Hold on.
Rolling his window. I'm about to bang on him. I'm about to shoot at this wheel in front of the door. He's not pulling his car down. He's not trying to tell me who it is. I'm about to flame his car up. No, this nigga not rolling his pop. As you understand what I'm saying? He on the phone. I just knocked on his window. I told him to roll the window down. He didn't say nothing, bro. Pop, he's double parked in front of the fucking house. What's wrong with you? And I knocked on his door and I asked him, who you looking for? The nigga talking about go ahead. He just told me to go ahead. Bro, I'm trying to tell you, bro. Trying to tell you, bro.
Okay, now the guy is sitting in the car looking at him. He's double parked right in front of his house. If his house had just been popped up, that's why people are saying he actually did this to himself. Why didn't he go inside the house? He was trying to convince the man to leave. When the man didn't leave, he should have known that the man was on something, especially if he was double parked. He's nervous. He's trying to convince the guy to leave. He went out there the first time. The guy just said, go ahead. Maybe the guy didn't want to shoot him. Maybe he just wanted to shoot inside the house or something. But that would have been his opportunity to call the police and say, can you just drive by? Is somebody out here double parked? My house was popped up. Hey, yeah, people are going to have to start getting smart. Folks are sitting up talking about they don't want to get the police involved. Now this man is dead. Maybe if he had called the police and the police had made him move, he would have lived maybe another day or something, or forever. People are going to have to start being smart.
Yo, I don't know who this is in front of my door. I'm about to flame this nigga, bro. Like, I'm about to flame this car right now. I don't know what's up because
he saw the car was consistently creeping up in front of his house and he was up to no good. I don't know why talking loud and talking about he gonna flame him, what he thought that was gonna do.
Bro, I'm asking you who you is. You're in front of my door, bro. It's shit going on out here, bro. I'm asking you a simple question, bro. I'm asking you, I don't know who you is, bro. What's up with you? Bro, this is my block. You just sitting there. I asked you a simple question, bro. You're not saying nothing, bro. You didn't say nothing, bro. This is my block. Shit going on around here, bro. That's why I asked you a question. No, it's not all white people that live on this block, bro. All right, go ahead, bro. Go ahead, bro.
What are you arguing with somebody for, yo?
So a lady in the house hollers to him and said, what are you arguing with somebody for, yo? You know, I'm like her. Get your ass back in the house. If you see that this man is up to no good, he's talking about is all white people live on this block. He's trying to plead with him to leave instead of taking cover. He see that he's double parking. He's up to no good.
What is wrong with you?
The fuck?
So that sounds like it could be his mama or his girl or something. She said, what is wrong with you? What are you arguing with him for? Get in the house.
This nigga, man. I don't know what the fuck. That's why I be thinking somebody be slipping him something or something sometimes. He don't make no sense.
Now, it was obvious if somebody had just popped up his house a few days before that this man was up to no good. He was not leaving. He was double parked in front of his house. He got a little friendly with him for him to let his guards down. Okay, hold on.
Huh? Bro, somebody shut me up. Bro, are you listening to what I'm saying, bro? Somebody hit my crib up before, bro. You sitting in front of my door, bro.
Hit his crib up. Yo.
What is wrong with him?
What the fuck? Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Yo! Yo!
Corey, come on!
Oh my god!
Come on!
I just stole this dumbass!
Come on!
Oh my god!
Y'all, that's so sad right there. He raises back up in shock and tries to pop before he falls back down. Why he kept engaging, this is what I'm talking about, how young men, Lord Jesus, God, the Lord have mercy, how young men don't think. 28 years old, it's obvious that he was up to no good. He was double parked. He let his guard down by saying, listen, man, bro, I listened to your music. He didn't know him. Why not just move? When he said, I'm going to pop you, I'm going to get my stuff, anybody else would have left. He should have known with him just sitting out there. That's why his mother was saying, what is wrong with you? Get in the house. Why are you arguing with somebody? And he's trying to plead with him, bro, they just popped my house up. You suspicious. Why not just call the police? Why not go in the house, hit the deck, peek out the window? I mean, it would have been better for him to pop the house up because he took his whole frame out there and they filled him up. That's what I'm saying, y'all. This is devastating. Like, it's sad to me just looking at that. That was my first time seeing the second part. But that's the type of stuff that I'm talking about. You know, this stuff has got to stop. People are going to have to, these young men are going to have to start being wiser. There was no need for him to be out there pleading, telling this man, I'm going to pop you up, when his house had just been hit up. This man actually did get him to get his guards down. When he's talking about, bro, it's all white people out here. He said, it's not. That lives around here. Bro, I listen to your music. He came out there the first time and he told him, go ahead, bro. He scares that the guy want to pop his house up. It was better than popping him up. He raised this up and tried to hit back, but I'm sure it was just adrenaline rush. And then he falls back and passes on. That's why I say these young men have got to start doing better. We don't mess with the police. Police, is somebody out here double parked? My house was just hit up. Can y'all ride by? Can y'all sit out there for a few minutes? I bet you he would have got the hell out of Dodge then, and his antennas should have went up. People call me paranoid. Listen, it's almost like I can sense something that's going to happen before it happens. I'm suspicious of everybody. Look at how that man got him to get his guards down, but he was crazy trying to plead with him when his spidey senses had already told him that something was wrong. Instead of saying he going to pop up the car, because he knew that dude was on something else, he should have. Now, look what dude did to him. As soon as he got his guards to go down, as soon as he peeped that he didn't have a whole lot of other dudes in the house with him to flame him back up. This is sad on so many levels, y'all. We really got to do better, all right? But anyways, I just wanted to talk about that, you guys. Lord, that's so sad. 28 years old, when all he had to do was be wise. Wisdom is better than anything else. That's all he had to do. Okay? His intuition let him know that he was on something else. When dude was not moving, after he was telling him that I got popped up, why don't you move? And you double parked when he didn't move and he's standing in front of his house. I know what he was thinking. He wanted me to go in so he could shoot up my house. It would have been better to shoot the glasses out. He should have hit the deck. Told his folks, hit the floor. It's something wrong with this. Call the police. It would have been better than him constantly running out there. And he see that the coast is clear. It ain't really nobody but him and his mother. He knew he could pop him up like he did. Once he got his guards to go down, he knew when nobody else going to run out the house and fire him up. And took him out. And they say he was a target. It was a hit. It's sad. Okay. But anyways, I want you guys to please like, share, and subscribe. If you would like to support the channel, you could definitely support the channel via Cash App.